In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF or digital file on Clickfunnels. We're going to walk through how to upload your file into Clickfunnels so it's safely stored, easy to find, and ready to deliver to your customers or leads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each option means, even if you're brand new to the platform. First, start by logging into your Clickfunnels dashboard. Once you're inside, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see an option called Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click that. Think of Workspace Settings as the control center for everything that belongs to your account and brand. Inside Workspace Settings, you'll see a menu of different options. From that list, choose My Assets. This is where all of your uploaded files, images, and other digital resources can live. It keeps everything organized in one place, so you don't have to hunt around later when you want to use the same file in a funnel or an email. Once you're in My Assets, look for the Downloads tab along the top. Click on Downloads. This section is specifically designed for files you want people to download, like PDFs, ebooks, checklists, templates, and other digital products. Now in the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Upload File. Click that to start the upload process. A form will pop up asking for a few key details, and filling these out clearly will save you confusion in the future. First, you'll see a field for name. Give your file a clear, descriptive name that makes sense at a glance, such as Ultimate Guide, eBook, version 1. Using a consistent naming style can really help when you have multiple versions or different lead magnets. Next is the File section. Click the Upload File button here, and a window will open where you can choose the PDF or digital document from your computer. Select the correct file and confirm. Make sure you're uploading the finalized version because this is the one your customers will receive. You'll also see an option for a preview image. This part is optional, but it's a nice touch. You can upload a thumbnail that represents your file, like a mock-up of your ebook cover. This makes your file look more professional and easier to recognize visually inside your account. Once everything looks good, click Create File. Clickfunnels will upload and save your digital file under My Assets, ready for you to connect to your funnels, thank you pages, or emails whenever you're ready.